Check out this SHACMAN tractor, China's go-to heavy-duty truck for logistics and hauling. It also comes with an extremely favorable price. Built for reliability, this robust Hawo-style unit handles large loads with ease, perfect for construction, freight, and industrial transport needs. Its durable design ensures consistent performance even in demanding work environments. Ideal for businesses needing efficient, tough hauling solutions. This workhorse is a staple in China's trucking sector. Reach out to explore reliable transport equipment options.